Welcome back to Martin Architect. If this is your first time in this channel, make sure you subscribe, like the video and turn on your notification bell for more content like this. So in this video, I will show you how you can arrange your multiple use projects in a sheet and export them for easy printing. So pay attention as we dive into it. Go to architecture. Okay. Under schedules and quantity, right click on sheet, click on new sheet. We are going to load the sheet that we previously created. If you don't know how to go about creating a sheet, you can go through the playlist. You see the video there. So we saved it in the desktop, which is this Martin Architect. Let's load it into the project. As you can see, the sheet is there. So the next thing we are going to do is to drag the views that we want to export into the sheet. For the sake of this video, we are going to be exporting the ground floor and the elevations. So you drag it to the sheet. You can rescale, but I think this scale is okay for this particular project. So you can rename it. This is it. You can rename it. Let's say 01 for easy identification. 01 ground floor. Let's duplicate. And name it 02 south elevation. Now we can drag the south elevation to the sheet. Can adjust it. And this position is okay. We activate, so you can adjust this. Do the same thing here. And here. Saying this is okay. Now we'll duplicate the 02. Let's name it 03 north elevation. I think it's looking at this position. So you activate, adjust it more. the same thing here. With this we are good. Then you deactivate. Let's adjust this too. Let's see, let's drop it here. So this is okay. So the next thing we are going to do is to export. You can add as many sheets as possible. So when you are done, the next thing to do is to export. Near the printer icon, you see a red icon. Click on it. Select this. Click on the pencil icon. Then you select the views that you want to export, which are 01, 02, and 03. Let's look for them. Then you select. Then you choose the location on where the location you want to export to. For easy identification, we're going to choose the desktop. It's in desktop already. So you wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to export. I think it's done. As you can see, the views are the sheet, the ground floor, the south elevation, and the north elevation. So for more content like this, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you.